I don't know if I played. He lined his whole all the way around up the ceiling with everything. I was always been fine. Don't go in there. I had boxes and boxes of carmine. I do kind of want to get that gray file cabinet.
Yeah, well,
Not today.
can we move that one if I move the boxes so I can put these in there?
Yeah, I should really put it up on 2x4s too.
Why?
Just in case it gets so it's not around the concrete.
Okay, so let's put it up.
But maybe I'll just get those little rubber pads. Or
Looks good, lots of.
I'll get those little tiny rubber pads. No, I'll get those little rubber pads on these, but just keep it off a little bit. You can load it in. All you have to do is just push a little bit to the side. Why? Yeah, but it's different with the instant, isn't it? That's all it was.
Will you move this?
Oh, yeah.
Will you move this? Will you move this? How do you move this? Target? Oh, no, oh wait, oh this. Okay, so... Right. What do you mean nothing was so... I multiplied it like 70 times, so yeah. Okay, so this will be our source. Yep. Okay. Oh. The source. Okay, I think we're out. Does this have multiples? I'm kinda confused. Destructible, bendable, fence type. Okay, chain link. No, chain link. Chain link. Chain link. And chain link. No. Bendable, 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 bendable. Make that one is alright. Okay, so go ahead a bit and then just, you know, okay, and then you wanna, what, something big, something big, okay. How do you rotate this? How do you rotate? How do you... Wait, how do you rotate this? How do you roll? Okay, so this. Wrong way. Did not mean to do that. Jeez. Go back. Back down. Yep. Green. Right. Clone it. Go back to moving. To clone right here. Play again. Yep. Okay. I hope it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Bang. Bang. Oh wait, some more movable. Some more movable. Oh, I forgot to anchor. Oh my. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. What? Do they ever just stop spawning? Stop it. Stop in the name of the law. What? What was he doing? Oh, he's gonna... If he crashes on the rubble. Oh, man. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, the bus. The bus. Oh. The bus. The bus. Okay, the bus. The bus is breaking down. Is this in the same area as the bus? I want to see if it crashed. Is that close enough to the bus to crash? Oh, nope. How fast? Why is this moving so slow? Yeah, so I kind of forgot to anchor these. I forgot to anchor those. Okay. Let's see how this goes now. Wait, why is that one still anchored? Wait, what? Why did they... I'm confused. Oh my... Why didn't they anchor? Wait, why didn't they anchor? Oh, okay. So, I don't know why, but these won't anchor. Hopper, what's a internet? Okay, nope, box card. Are you anchored? Anchored and anchored. Please, don't malfunction this time. Please, just stay anchored. No! Why won't they anchor? Why? Why won't you just anchor? Unanchor, unanchor. Why won't they anchor? Dude. Oh. Why won't they anchor? Okay, I don't know why, but these things just won't anchor. Can you like do a weight update or something? Can you add the weight? Okay, guys, I can't. How do you anchor these? Because they won't work. How do you anchor these? Because it just won't work. It just isn't working. Wait, can you like... Why won't they... Why won't they anchor? This isn't fair. They won't anchor. Can I maybe add like layers to stop them from anchoring? Like add a bunch to make the weight more powerful? Like, or something like that? Upper, something short, oh my god. Open tanker. Which one is the heaviest? I wanna know which one is the heaviest. Clone that. Okay. Load this. Clone this. Alright, this is probably a bit more stronger. Just add some extra power to this spot. Alright, let's see how it goes. One go better. Please go better. Oh. It's going better. Oh! Okay. Oh! Wait, it's actually working. Actually working. Yay! I have a feeling they might break on the... Okay, that's why it's getting freed. Oh no. Stipend boss. No. Alright, this does not look good. This over here a really bad crash happened. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do a part 2. Bye guys. You will lose any unsaved. Save again. Do you want to continue? Yes. Bye guys. Hope you game name is Car Crash Studio. I'm using the newest Apple iPad right now, so be aware if you have a low quality device, problems will probably happen. Yeah.